Evening, students. Today we're on page 44. We're just continuing from where we left off yesterday, page 44. Okay, right there, page 44. You see that? Okay. This is number 2. So the following graph shows Logan's height above the ground in feet as he climbs a tree to get a coconut. This is the height, y-axis. This is the time in minutes, x-axis. Okay. First question. Where was Logan when no time had elapsed? So when no time had elapsed, that means when time is 0. So where was he? I guess he was on the ground. Okay. Number B. How high did Logan climb? Wow, look. Can you believe that? He climbed what? 42 feet? 36. Yeah, 42 feet. This is 36. This is 48. The difference between that is 12. It goes up 12 in increments of 12. So halfway of 12 is 6. 6 plus 36 is 42. Okay. All right. C. When did Logan reach his maximum height? When is the question. When, meaning time. What time? It looks like 8 minutes. Okay, right here. 8 minutes, he reached the maximum height. Excuse me. Okay, what's the next question? How many feet above the ground was Logan after 12 minutes? Here's 12 minutes. The spot is right there. Sorry about the shadow. So that spot is halfway between 12 and 24, which is 18 feet. When was Logan 24 feet above the ground? 24 feet above the ground. This is the height here. As he climbed up, he passed the 24-foot mark here. As he climbed back down, he passed the 24 mark here. Okay. So this one is what, is that about 3 minutes or so? About there. This is 2, this is 4, so about there, about 3 minutes. Okay, 1 second, please. Wow, got some allergies, sorry. And when he comes down, it's about there. That's 8, that's 12. This must be 9. 10. Oh, this is 10. So that must be about 9. 3 minutes, and I would say 9 minutes right there. 2 values, okay? How about F? What is the question? When 18 minutes had passed, where was Logan? 18 minutes has passed. 12, 16. 18 would be like right here, maybe. Something like here. It's off the chart. So we don't really know. We don't really know. We have to make some assumptions, I guess. So let's just say he's back on the ground. But here would be the 18-minute mark. Okay. So he went up, get a coconut, and came back down. Okay. G is, describe what Logan might be doing between 4 and 6 minutes. 4 and 6 minutes. Okay. Between here and here. What might he be doing? The line is going sideways, so his height was the same, and about 2 minutes passed by. What do you think happened when he didn't increase or decrease his height? He was probably resting. I would make that assumption. He was probably resting. Okay. Okay. I mean, if you climb up a coconut tree 36 feet, you could take a little break before you go pick the coconut and come back down, right? Okay, that's my assumption. Okay, next problem. Next problem. So it reads here, the following graph shows Taylor's speed in miles per hour while driving to the store. Okay, miles per hour, right there. Speed, miles per hour. This is the y-axis. How about we label that? This is the x-axis. Time in minutes. Okay. First question. When did Taylor reach her maximum speed? Maximum speed is here. This is speed. This is the maximum speed. When? Time is 4. So let's put there 4 minutes. What was Taylor's maximum speed? Well, at 4 minutes, she was going 35 miles per hour. Between 30 and the 40. So that's 35 miles per hour. Okay, C. How fast was Taylor driving 5 minutes into her trip? 5 minutes into her trip. Looks like she was going at 30 miles per hour. Do you see that? 5 minutes, 30 miles per hour. So let's put that down. Okay. So where is 5? 5 minutes. Okay, here. I'm sorry. I was pointing here. That was wrong. This is over here. So 5 right there. So 25 miles per hour. Okay. So when was Taylor traveling at 10 miles per hour? Okay, that's 10 miles per hour right there. Okay, here's a value at 10 miles per hour. Here's another value at 10 miles per hour. So it looks to me that we could simplify this to like 1 minute. And on this end, this looks like 7 minutes. Okay. When did Taylor stop? Um, so the only time that you know that she stopped was when the line is going sideways. So it looks to me like right there she stopped at the 2 minute mark. 2 minutes mark. 2 3 minute. between 2 and 3 minutes. Oh, I think I made a boo-boo here. So when did Taylor stop? I'm sorry. Let me cross this out. It would be when the speed is 0 right there. Sorry. So whenever you're doing math, you're gonna be making mistakes every once in a while. It's no shame to correct your mistakes. Just correct them and move on, okay? And understand what was really going on. Understand where you might have made a mistake and how you could correct it. And just do it, okay? There's no shame in correcting your mistakes and going back to understand it. In almost every video, I make a mistake. I just leave it up. I just go back and correct it if I can, okay? Same thing what you have to do. When you're doing your homework or your classwork or your test, you make a mistake, just go back and correct it. But do it. Don't just let it go. So for an F, describe what Taylor might be doing between 2 and 3 minutes. Well, the speed has not changed over here. So she might be going through a straight, maybe going through a straight stretch of road where you just go at a constant rate. You don't have to slow down for a hill, you don't have to slow down for a turn or a rock in the road or something like that. Okay, probably a straight stretch of road is what happened when she was going 30 miles per hour. Okay, all right. That'll be it for tonight. So this page is here, 45. So we did 2 pages, 44 and 45. You guys need to complete all the way to 53. All right, that is the assignment. Complete to page 53. Period. Period 7, you're going to have a test on Monday. Period 7 will have a test on Monday. Period 6 will have a test tomorrow on this graphs. Okay, it'll be pretty easy. Don't worry, it's not calculating, so you get through it real quick. It's just reading the graph. This is the simplest subject we'll be covering in Algebra 1. Okay, so have a good evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.